Hello everyone, welcome back to your own channel RE World, powered by Team RE. Today we will learn about a feature text to column. Text to column is very useful when you want to break a text in a column to the next column with some certain conditions. I will add here is equal to now. You can add current date and time. Okay, so this is current date and time. I will copy it like this. Will not go into changing the values, whatever the values. Now I want to make date separate and time separate from this range. From column B, I want that I don't need time with it. I need the time in a separate column and date in a separate column. Okay. So now we will simply convert this into value because I put the formula. Okay. So there is one thing which is making playing a role of separation between date and time, that is a space between date and time. Okay. So we need to have one unique thing which is making the separation between the data which we need to separate from each other. It could not be one, it could be 2, 3, 4 things. For example, first name, second name, the third name, fourth name, fifth name. So if there is a space, maybe in some columns you will have 2 names, 3 name, 4 name, 5 name, but each name there is a space. So when you convert that text into column, I will give you an example later on for when you will convert that text into column, so that will be separated with each space. So here we will select text to column from data tab. We have a fixed limit, fixed width option, or delimited. We will need to use delimited here. We need to have selected with the space. If you see, when I put the space here, it is making it separate. But since the time here is visible in a 24-hour format, so it's not giving me option to PM or AM. So we will making it separate. Next and finish. See, now date is having 0000 because by default we just need to change the date style. We can select anything, time, and it's AM or PM. Okay. Next, let's now see something else. We are having RE World by Team RE. This is a YouTube channel. Now I want to separate all these text into columns. So this is a text, okay. Data, I will select the column, delimited, next. So because last time I used the space function, so it's automatically making it separate. So when you make it next and finish, you see, let me make it closer. So RE in a one, world in a second, by Team RE, then this is a YouTube channel. So this is how you can convert any text into column. There can be many ways where you need this text into column feature when you separate the name of first, second, third name into different columns rather than putting all into one. You can have such data where your date and time is coming in the same column and you want to convert those into different columns. So this is all text to column function. Hope you guys like my video. Please do subscribe to RE World. Put your comments in the comment section. Give your feedback. You may raise or give your own concern, queries. If you ever want to have any help in Microsoft Excel, please do write to me in the comment section, or you can go about page. You can find email address there. I'll be more than happy to solve the problems of my audience. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to like the video, give your feedback in comment section and share with your friends.